Hello, YouTubians. It's the Golden Rule, formerly known as the Del Rey PM. Anyway, I have not been purchasing much lately, as a few of you know, but I was able to pick up a few silver eagles, American silver eagles. I'll show them to you. I got 15 of them, along with 2 Kennedy Halves from 1964. A friend of mine who's married to a Qatari doctor, well, he needed to get some money to buy a house, so he sold off some of his silver coins, and I got to get a few of them. Now, in Qatar, a Qatari will get a house when she gets married to another Qatari. Unfortunately, this doctor, she's Qatari, married an American. So she lost her house privileges, so they had to use some of their assets to buy a house. So anyway, stand by, I'll show you the coins I got. Thank you. Eagles, I'm going to take them out of these stupid holders. I'm not really crazy about holders, especially for bullion. The gentleman I bought them from, unfortunately, his father passed away, and this was part of his inheritance, so he has a whole lot more, but he just wanted to sell a few. And then a couple Kennedy half dollars as well. They're from '64, a year after my birth year. I might keep these in the holders, I don't know, but these I'm going to break out of the holders. So anyway, I want everybody to be safe during this COVID crisis, and I'll post a couple more of my pickups that I've had over the last year. It hasn't been much. I'll also bring you up to speed on a problem I'm having getting 4 gold coins to me from the United States. A friend of mine, Saad, bought them from Atmex. They were sent by my father to here in Qatar, and somehow they, out of Frankfurt, Germany, made their way to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where they've been sitting for the last year because of the blockade. So hopefully, once the blockade lifts and the COVID-19 lifts, I'll be able to still track down those 4 gold coins as well. Anyway, so I'll show you some more information about some coins I'm trying to find that got lost in Saudi Arabia. Hopefully I'll be able to find those soon. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the updates from my channel. Thank you and be safe.